All right. Let's see what do we have over here. Yeah. Let's open this thing up. There we go. This looks awesome. Take a look at this. That's the satisfaction. Wow, it's really cold. Space gray. Let me just keep this over here for the second. Okay. Designed by Apple in California. Sweet. Here's the brick. Finally, USB-C. And a USB-C to USB-C cable. I think this does include, this is like the fast charging. I think so. I'm still not sure. But yeah, looks clean. And that's it for the box. Let's get rid of this. I love this wallpaper. Alright, there we go. Let's bring this here. Ooh, I don't want to keep this down. I'm just going to keep it over here. Alright. Okay, here it is. Let me just peel this thing. There we go. Oh my god. Wow. This thing is beautiful. It is beautiful. I love the display. Alright, so here's the camera and the face ID over here. Nothing on this side, just a microphone. At the bottom you have USB Type-C. Over here we got two speaker grills. Up on this side, that's where I think the pencil will connect. I still haven't received my pencil yet. It's like too long. Then we have the volume keys. Ooh, these do feel nice. The power button. Here we go. This is the power button, two more microphones up at the top, and another speaker grill. Alright. Ooh. This is my first Apple product ever. Let me just turn this thing on.